Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we're back with another screen replacement video. It's for a OnePlus smartphone. This is the OnePlus 8T. As we check the smartphone, there's a lot of cracks on the center of the screen, but you can still use it, but it's not really advisable since you can swipe and then just aggravate the current situation of the smartphone, so you have to change the screen for a long-term solution. And first off, we're gonna remove this backplate, and we have to be very delicate. We just fast forward it, but it really took some time and persuasion to remove this backplate. And as you can see, the adhesive is pretty sticky. And then we're gonna remove all the screws that you can see right here. We're not gonna disassemble it for now. We're not gonna do a full disassembly because, as always, we tend to test it while we disassemble. And we're gonna remove the flex cable for some of the components, including the SIM card and the Wi-Fi antenna. This will give us access to the ribbon cable, the connection for the screen and the LCD, and we're gonna remove this daughter board right here. And this is the trick that we implement this in the shop, and every repair that we can, if possible, we have to test the replacement display before we fully disassemble the device, just to save some time. And as you can see, it works. If this doesn't work at this stage, then there's no point in replacing the screen. Maybe the screen is maybe the motherboard is broken, but as you can see on the initial inspection, the smartphone is fully working. And then the replacement display is tested and it's known to be working, so we're gonna proceed with the full disassembly. And next is to remove the LCD, the screen itself. We're gonna replace it, and then just as how sticky the backplate is, this one is also very sticky with the adhesives holding it back. We have to be very careful. We're not going to reuse this, but we have to be very careful not to damage other good components inside. And we're just going to clean it up with the old adhesives, because if we try to force it in with this old adhesives, it's not going to be flush with the main housing, so we have to just do some general cleaning here, thorough cleaning. And we just fast forward some of this stuff, but the actual repair time really took a lot due to some preparations like removing the screen, and of course, just like this one, cleaning it off thoroughly. And since there's no more adhesives on this part, we're gonna replace it with a brand fresh adhesive, so that it will hold the new replacement screen. So David here is making this look pretty easy, but it's really difficult. If you don't have any experience in replacing displays, please don't do it. we can just do it for you for much less hassle and risk. And as you can see here, David is putting it back together and testing as we assemble. It's good to go, including the cameras and the buttons. It's all working fine. We're gonna attach the Wi-Fi antenna and the daughter board and all the flex cables that we have removed, and we're almost done. So if you have some smartphones that need screen replacement or battery replacement, just visit Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also do smartphones, tablets. If you have an iPhone or a Samsung Galaxy, LG, or even an ROG phone from Asus, we also do that. We have screens for that. And right here, we're gonna show you one of our repairs. As you can see, we have thorough and high quality repair service, and every one of our customers is recommending us to their family and friends. So if you like this video, you can follow us and give us a call if you need some help. If you're around Sydney, visit us. If you're outside of Sydney, you can send over your phone and we're gonna send it back to you already fixed. So how about that? This one is done. Thank you for joining, guys. Till next time. Cheers.